Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Guys, let's just unpack Onosenzo Meyiwa. I just wanted to do an open letter to Rata. Guys, ngiyambhalela uRata incwadi. Wathi social media akayifuni akayithandi. He's always very negative around it. Asitshele the way nje, you know. Yeah, lalela amaphephandaba. Wena mngomezulu. So you gotta be home and watching YouTube, watching us from YouTube. I was just like, yo, this guy, guys, I could never stop. So you open letter, iqala ngokuthi, guys, we've done so many petitions there on Facebook for Urata kahambi. And then so many times also I mentioned last year, especially in 2025, ukuthi asikwazi kumhambisa uRata in a bit of 2024. Because we always start all over. Khumbula uma umela ngidwamkhulu lo wayengekho right, who bulldozed this case. And then baze bamxosha. Wa end up hearing angazi ukuthi uphelele bla baba ongekho right naye. Owaxosha uTefo wambizela amaphoyisa inside court. Kwabona. So manje ke i-open letter kaRata ke iyo ke le. What I'm trying to say is that uRata ke, we did so many petitions for him, and I was angazaphumelele because I also figured, why would we want uRata not to come back to this case at the time? I get in 2024 and 2025. It's because we had to start all over every time when you get a new judge. I was just like, so to go trial within a trial and then go into main trial like we are in main trial now. Yeah, it's a bit much. So that's when people are just like, we can't do this thing unless the case iqhubeka. Rata continue to be biased. So my thing is that Rata Mokwatleng, please do not come back to the case. You are actually 80 years old this year. You cannot come back to this case because you are biased, you are unfair. Sholo has told you so many times, this is an unfair trial, my lord. If Tina as defense, we cannot have a say. It's a open letter. It's Rata, please don't come back. We don't need you. You are very unfair. You are Team State. We can see right through you. You don't have to come back. You're not helping the Meyiwas get justice. It is very clear to us. You'll never help the Meyiwas get justice. And when you want to convict all those 5 accused, when they did not delete Senzo, you have told yourself with your entourage, Brigadier Kininda, Baloyi, Nihlala Pants, and discuss it. So this is how we're going to do it. Namanje, the reason why you adjourned early is because uzobuya and come back with more plots that you've been plotting with your entourage, and come back and distract us and confuse us. Can't we know? And we can see right through you. You don't want the Meyiwas to get justice when. Actually, we want you gone. I got it. Even the Meyiwas have said it to Katsabak phone. Usfiso Meyiwa, uyasho ukuthi at first, njengoba he will talk about Brigadier Kininda ukuthi at first I thought he was the best man, he was good. And then I realized, good, no, this person is actually turning on us. Same as Rata. We don't want to back Rata, please. So it's an open letter. PS. There are so many reasons, guys, we don't want Rata. You remember when they had a fallout to Nomshololo, APZT. When Nomshololo, why are you screaming in my court? Like you're in a tavern. Guys, when Utu Mambo Nomshololo doesn't Shololo even drink alcohol, guys. She doesn't look like that person. But so Rata was like, when, please, why are you screaming at us at tavern? I was like, I'm a tavern into Zakorata. Please, those are not Mshololo's things. Why are you even bringing such a court, such statement about taverns? You could have just said, please, Mshololo, calm down. And maybe take it like, women abanye. But please, don't be that person to watch Mshololo and be like, but I'm Mshololo too, like we're not in a tavern. Really, bro? That food that's screaming. was not the kind of scream where you feel ukuthi hayi ke lo sicabanga ukuthi manje sisethaven. No, there was no need for that comment, guys. Abantu bakhala ngaleyo comment. Even on TV, it went on, it made rounds. People are just like, please, like, where did that comment come from? A tavern, guys. A tavern of a tavern. So ziningi, guys, izinto ongazisho in this open letter about uRatha ukuthi asemfuni ukuthi abuye kule court le. Ngoba uRatha, it is very clear. The fact that uRatha could twist things around just before they adjourned and be like, guy, in fact, uGwabini must be arrested. Guys, must be arrested for what? Guys, yeah. Just because uGwabini was exposing the state, into engajwayelekile, naye uRatha was just like, and you could see right through them ukuthi uBaloyi noRatha bakhulumile ukuthi my lord ngiyahluleka uyabona nawe manje sekangiqedela lesi statement engapha uzungu sebeyikhulumile indaba yakhe through Absalom, and Gwabini is coming again and these people are related. Oh my gosh, ngeke angisakhoni. They are exposing us now. State we don't have a case. Please, my lord, born ukuthi twista izinto around. You're right. In 3 days, guys, kwaqala ngokuthi the people were sitting at the back Gwabini bazu assassinator Brigadier Ginindo. Did you see how I put it? I said bazom assassinate kuphi loyo uRobocop with his mask. Nicholas Ginindo ngoba he wasn't even there. Ubongani Ginindo. Like who wants to assassinate that person? Where? How? When? Those people were there for Gwabini. Oh, guys, and we must take the attitude as South Africans and listen to that crap and hogwash and be like, oh, okay, they wanted to assassinate us. Oh, that's how I twist again. But nobody what you know. Actually, baby, nobody. It's just like I'm done. What you good at what you mean? Bang funa kosambina bandla ngiyacela South Africans, don't dubula me, don't shoot me in the head or in the face. I must look beautiful in my casket. I was actually tired of that story. Intengeko. Distraction. That's toxic actually. That whole thing that uRatha went on about just before we adjourned. Amanga, you've never seen, they are in another level. Those lies, besides the lies that you normally listen to in that court, but these ones, I was just like, how can you make up something like this? Those are the other reasons we don't want Ratha back. Joba ngisho namanje, he's planning and plotting. Uzombona, uzotwist izinto around, and uzobe phezu kwamnisi. Mark my words. Ngapha, we are worried ukuthi umnisi, there's a chance ukuthi he won't come back. Because that's exactly what they want again. They want to break umnisi. They've been trying to break defense. And those people are unbreakable. I don't know if you saw them. Those 4 people that are left there. Those 4 defense team. They just like Lalel. Yes, this is like Lumkulu team. And umnisi vele besamthasha umnisi amphendula yeah. Some days go to uRatha beyamthulisa. Thula wena mnisi. Are you gonna be shouting at me? The last days, hey guys, the drama that was in that course, I tell you. Those are other reasons we don't want uRatha. Ngoba akazi ukuthi fanele control kanjani their court. Ufuna ukuyicontrola ngokuthi ahlezi. So, Baloyi, what do you think? Is that fair, Marcus? Engaqedi ngisho uqeda ukukhuluma uzithulele Nxumalo. Uzobethu uRatha. So, Baloyi, what do you think? Like seriously, guys. Honestly, is there anything like obonuguti uBaloyi angayisho that's better than umnisi? For example, a busy gaslighting defense. You wrong Shamlo Mkhulu lo una 8. He must just stay at home. Kule open letter ke kaRatha, guys, because I've mentioned a few things why asingamfune back uRatha. Another reason will be the latest news now, breaking news actually, that have just come in now. Ukuthi uGwabini uthi he is not coming back to testify. Wonke thina ama witnesses wethu yezo. If they're not unalived, they are threatened. or bahanjiswe or basatshiswe, like, you know, buka manje uGwabeni was shot in the leg. It's just like, no, I'm not coming back. I can't do it. Ufuna ukuthi bangibulale njengoba babulala uSenzo. So uyabona ukuthi vele he was on that verge in any case of being unalived. You saw just nje because they shot him on the leg, but otherwise he was going. So uyabona ukuthi thina sibhekene nenkinga enganani. We two rats are not even helping this case. We have many problems where we can't have witnesses. So kusho ukuthi the next witness that was supposed to come bekuyena uMakhubo. And uMakhubo naye was just like, wabona masibangenzana eDPP. Bamthatha u375 for of the people who were in the house. Bawulahlela le ba create a movie yabo lo 636 ukuthi they were intruders in that house when they were not. So yabona nje ukuthi sidonsa kanzima thina as defense. Just because icase yethu ayifuni ukuthi ivulele inquiry or ihambe eMadlanga, so that we can stop with these lies, you know.